So what we prepare privately, diba? Privately determines how we perform publicly, diba? So yeah, before the crowd, diba, logs in, the heart, the mindset, and the faith should already be running stable in the background. If you haven't watched my previous episode in the day four, diba? Mm, it should be it should be your it should be stable. Dapat stable ka na daan. And the all your systems, all yourself, you uh is be running stable in the background. So yeah, events are like servers. So when you're running an event, 'di ba? Hindi yan siya like uh come and come out, 'di ba? Garbage in, garbage out.